welcome all to Bologna. We are here, all the partners of the RAISE project. RAISE project is a European funded project, Interreg from the second call. So we are here to discuss about social economy. Our principal objective, our principal aim is to raise social economy competitiveness. So we are really looking forward and really happy to be here. I'm really looking forward for a very fruitful meeting.
One of the main activities for today in the third project meeting of RAISE is the presentation of the 6 studies on the social enterprises ecosystem.
The first results show that even though the policy frameworks, the different backgrounds, we find some common challenges and needs for social enterprises. Big issue will be to find out what that are targeting the specific needs in the specific regions.
Here we are with Anders Bro, project manager from Orebro. Anders, can you explain us the agenda that we will do in Orebro?
Yeah, there will be a discussion on the good practices, of course, from different countries. And then we will have a discussion and a seminar on what makes Sweden special in the project, because we have a long tradition of a strong public sector and a strong state.
Hi, we are here in the bus. We are on our way to the study visits to the social enterprises in Emilia-Romagna region. We have here one of the managing directors, which is Roser Hernández. Roser, què et semblen aquestes visites avui a Bologna? Què estàs aprenent?
Molt interessant, perquè hem vist que aquí la força que tenen a Itàlia les cooperatives socials és el funcionar amb consorcis, que això els dona molta pes i molta possibilitat de poder arribar a molts sectors. I a banda de la Dolce, la cooperativa que hem vist social, que té un gran abast a totes les seves activitats, als seus sectors i està arribant amb una gran potència de creixement, també la cooperativa que hem visitat social de l'ACCIO, de Noé, està fent una gran tasca en temes de refugiats i d'atenció a immigrants, que això crec que hauríem d'aprendre uns quants.
We have here as well our stakeholder, Asproseat. We have Asun Rodríguez, which is the managing director, works for one of the most representative social enterprises in Catalunya.
Bé, l'experiència de visitar les cooperatives d'avui, la veritat és que m'ha semblat molt interessant. En primer lloc perquè jo vaig estar fa 20 anys visitant cooperatives i he vist un avanç importantíssim amb com han evolucionat. Crec que ara estan superprofessionalitzades, crec que hi ha molts recursos que s'han posat, no sé si a nivell públic o privat, que és una dubte que tinc, però que realment han fet que s'avanci moltíssim. Bé, crec que estan seguint un procés molt semblant al que estem seguint en diferents regions d'Espanya, com és Catalunya i com és el País Basc. Per tant, fantàstic.
The RAISE project and the study visit in Emilia-Romagna represent another piece in the complex mosaic of activities that ERVET is managing concerning social economy and social innovation. Together with the regional government and the stakeholders at regional level, managing and animating a lot of activities, like for example an InnoSoup project, Horizon 2020, concerning social innovation. ERVET is managing an international working group concerning social innovation in the framework of EURADA network, a lot of projects concerning migration, asylum and integration. So we will do our best in order to integrate this complex framework of activity together with our stakeholders and our regional government.